Hi, welcome to Physionic, where we learn the body from the macro to the micro. If that's something you think you'd be interested in, then consider subscribing. Guys, today's video is going to blow your mind. I'm going to talk to you about how a person, a human being that walks among us, has 3 parents. That's right. So, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it in a short, sweet, science-based video. Let's jump in. Although I have an undying, deep love for learning everything in the human body, there are the occasional stories that truly blast that giddy excitement into another stratosphere. This is one of those instances. When people consider birth, if you ever have, you understand it has a conception of a human being via the copulation of a male and female. And traditionally, that is correct. That being the case, most people are born of one male's deoxyribonucleic acid, or DNA, and a female's DNA merging together in a cell known as an ovum. This process is called fertilization and marks the potential for life as the cell begins to replicate rapidly. However, what if I told you that not everyone walking on this planet is born from 2 parents? The truth is, a tiny group of individuals, indistinguishable from you, were born from 3 parents. You see, while people understand human DNA to be housed within the nucleus, an organelle known for its protection of DNA, there is another part of the cell that contains a tiny bit of DNA. The mitochondria. It supplies its own DNA to facilitate its existence and is necessary for our current iteration of evolution. That said, there are instances in which a mother's mitochondrial DNA can lead to a variety of different pathologies if passed on to their child, because all mitochondria are passed down from the mother exclusively. So, if there are defects in the mother's mitochondria, there is a heightened chance the defects will present in the children, limiting or extinguishing their life. For a small number of human beings, we have removed the mitochondria in the ovum of a woman, taken the sperm of a man, and taken the mitochondria of another woman and combined them. Then we have implanted that new cell and allowed it to grow into a human being. In such a way, when the person is born, their nuclear DNA is as healthy as it would be, and they can live a normal life knowing their mitochondria are also healthy. In this way, we have facilitated the creation of healthy humans with 3 sources of DNA, the tri-parent child. How freaking cool is that? I genuinely hope that you felt the exact same way that I did when I found out this information. I thought that was absolutely just crazy cool that we can do that we can create, that we can bypass some of these pathologies that we know of by simply rearranging things and just taking DNA from different people and putting it together and allowing the normal human process of reproduction to occur. That's really a remarkable system. So, with that said, hopefully I have the absolute pleasure of speaking with you in the next one. Have an awesome, awesome day. See you guys.